Well, it's a day that perhaps is best forgotten in the sense that we have managed to do nothing pretty much for most of the day. We are ending with a cut of almost 0.25% for the Nifty, and it's a bank Nifty too, which has managed to take a knock of around 100 points, considerably off the highest point of the trading session. So down about 100 points for the bank Nifty. And the outperformance that we were seeing in the mid-cap space and the small-cap space is also reversed today. And even if you look at the advanced decline ratio, clearly there was a tilt towards the losing side today. Sectorally speaking, it continues to be pharma, which is getting a lot of attention from the investors. So we are seeing a delivery-based buying. There are a lot of traction as far as pharma is concerned. Names like Gland Pharma, Divi's Lab are pretty much the evidence of the same. Metals also continue their rally. So 9-day on a trot. Metal index has been on the higher side. Jindal Steel, National Aluminium, JSW Steel. These are some of the names that we are watching out for. What did not do well clearly was the IT pack, starting with Coforge, LTI Mindtree, HCL Tech. All of these stocks are expected to report their numbers come the next 5 to 6 trading sessions, and ahead of that, all of these stocks are on the back foot. And talking about earnings, we had ICICI Lombard earnings. Street did not take it very well, so a cut of around 5%. And you had other names like Patel Engineering, which was reacting to a marquee investor checking in. Then comes the rice stocks, the likes of KRBL, LT Foods. Sugar stocks were also quite excited. And then Aisha, of course, the pharma names, they are the one that really the street wants to talk about. So Piramal Pharma, Gland Pharma, these were the top stocks.
Oh yeah, absolutely. All shining bright within the pharma pack. In fact, let's just bring up some of the other movers as well. So you had a Divi's for a second consecutive day, another 2% bump up coming in there. Abbott India as well did very well. DRL, even though it eased off from the session highs, but marginal gains at that as well. Oro Pharma did well, Zydus Live, Piramal Pharma, Ipca Laboratories, Granules. These are all stocks which have managed to gain ground for themselves. Actually, similar was the picture for even a Biocon, etc. They also held out very, very smartly in trade. But that's pretty much it. Curtains down on this session. We've managed to just cut around that 17,600 level, in fact defend that. But let's see when we manage to pick it up onto that support of 17,700. For now, the global cues as well are looking a little bit weak.